Hi, we're in week 4, and this is the conclusion of our time together. So, the topics in week 4 are you're going to do your discussion and a research assignment. And this time, your research assignment is going to be about disease risks and what you can do about them, you can learn about them and do about them. So, this is what I have for you. You have the readings, chapters 13, 14, 16, and 17 with the modules. You have your movie moment, which is about the brown eyes and blue eyes experiment that Jane Elliott did. This was in an elementary school situation. She wanted to have the children experience what it was like to be this subject of prejudice. The disease risk factors will be the assignment. You can work on this ahead if you wish. And I would like you you can visit the Washington University School of Medicine Siteman Cancer website, and then you can choose a disease risk area: cancer, diabetes, heart disease, osteoporosis, and stroke. Then I would like you to look for the causes and prevention using an article from Mercola.com. And for diabetes, you would use the articles from Dr. Fung. And I have a video here of how to reverse diabetes by Dr. Fung. The reason we have Dr. Fung is because his research is rather recent. It's thorough, it's methodical, it's based in medicine, and it's just terrifically research-based, and it helps people to lose weight as well as reverse type 2 diabetes. Remember to distinguish type 1 from type 2 diabetes. We'll also have the final exam this week and the post-test, which will be on the questions very similar to what you were asked in week 1 on the pre-test. So the post-test is worth 5% of your final grade. Final exam is worth 20% of your final grade. And as usual, the assignments and discussion posts are each worth 5% of your final grade. So I'll see you in the classroom.